Welcome back to ELLM English Tutor. Today in this lesson I am going to tell you 20 different ways of saying thank you. Much obliged, thanks for having my back, warmest thanks, thanks a million. I am so grateful, accept my endless gratitude, I can't thank you enough. I appreciate your thoughtfulness, you've made my day. What you did for me was a kind of a big deal. Thank you. It's a rare thing to find someone as generous and kind as you. Thank you for reaching out. Thanks for the support. Thanks for being there. Cheers. This means a lot to me. It is hard to find words to express my gratitude. Thanks again for all of your advice. And thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel. Goodbye.